Hi, I'm Sophia E. I'm a marketing manager. I'm going to introduce wireless power reference designs today. We are the leading supplier for wireless charging solutions. We have shipped over 300 million wireless power transmitters and receivers. Since Apple adopted Qi wireless charging in 2017, WPC Qi has become the dominating wireless power industry standard. We offer WPC Qi compliant SoCs with embedded ARM microprocessors. As we continue to innovate with up to 20 watts wireless power solutions, the charging time with wireless technology significantly reduces, bringing a true fast charging experience to the users. It's easy to design with our products regardless of your experience level with wireless charging. We offer reference designs with evaluation kits and full supporting digital design collateral that help you to jumpstart. You will choose the reference design that offers the proper power level for your application. For example, if you are looking for a solution for powering a smartphone, you need a 15 watts solution. If your application has a lower power level, the 5-watt solution might be a better suit. Our latest offerings include an automotive wireless transmitter, P9261, which adopts the WPC MPA13 3-coil design. The P9261 supports WPC Extended Power Profile, EPP, iOS and Android fast charge modes. For consumer applications, the P9241-GB, P9242-GB, and P9235A-RB are the newer additions to the wireless transmitter family. The P9241-GB and P9242-GB target at up to 10 watt and 15 watt applications respectively. Both support iOS and Android fast charge modes. The P9235A targets at 5-watt applications. Pair these wireless transmitters with P9221-R for 15-watt applications and P9225-R for 5-watt applications. The reference design evaluation kits can be ordered online on our website. You will receive the evaluation kit with the evaluation board and the power adapter inside for an immediate plug-and-play experience. The software GUI, user guide, datasheet, layout guide, and other design collateral are available on our website. Thanks for watching this video. For more information on our reference designs and other products, please visit our website.